Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you some collage technique. So just based on your portrait technique, just a little bit advanced technique I'm going to show you. The first time I'm going to share my screen and what I want to show you. So can you see that one? So take it off this one. So you're going to use portrait photos. It's like this, up to your face or friend's face. This collaging technique I'm going to show you now for. Okay, just stop sharing and go my Photoshop screen. Okay. And first of all, so you need to open your photo. Just go for open. And I'm gonna go this one, which is my face. The first of all, we have to make a grid. So as you can see here, rulers. If you don't have a rulers on the Photoshop, just click on the view and rulers. It disappeared in the view and the rulers. Now you get rulers, and then click the second from the top. It's a rectangular shape, and make sure fix the ratio. I'm gonna select square. Okay, the first of all, just roughly select kind of like this. Then you're gonna make a line. Okay, like this, and just move on to next. Then move on to next. Just like this, and bring it. Just simply, I'm gonna make a grid. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, now let's get started. Preparation all down, and then bring it to my eye, and just copy and paste, and edit. Copy either way. You can use Control key pressing C. If you use like Windows, if you use Mac, just Command and C, and the copy means copy, and just copy and paste, which is really small. And at this moment, just leave it on. And click and paste. I'm using shortcut keys. Control C means Control C means paste, and Control V means paste. Okay. And bring it here. A little bit of my nose. Copy and paste. Bring it in here. Just roughly. Just make a position. And just I've already made grid. Then just click that eye and put it here and bring it here. On this occasion, I make change its scales, edit and transform, just free transform, and make sure chain hit. And ratio doesn't change. Just press enter, or either way, just click here, but it's appeared, and just go back. That's my one, and click this one. For my nose, so Control C and the paste. Now the nose, and transform, edit, free transform, and just bigger. Okay, just go another way. What I need to, probably my mouth, go away. Okay, I'm gonna copy my mouth. Just either way, Control C or just copy from edit and call my one, and either way, Control V or edit, Control, just paste. Okay, just click here and make mouse bigger. Just edit, transform, just either way, just Control T. Just make it bigger and just click. And then you have to make a balance and then making your original face. Let's right click, layer one. Just Control T and make it bigger. And hit. What I need, I'm gonna make some interesting face. Just copy and paste. Now I've got ear, transform, edit and try free transform, make my ear bigger. It's pretty big, isn't it? Yeah, and then bring it here, probably bring it down, and just here, my ear, just right click and just copy and paste, or either way, just bring it to plus and then make it a copy. And just now the copy and transform, just pre-transform and then make it much bigger. And click. And what I need to, just 2 eyes and 2 ears, same one, nose, and just you copy and paste, copy and paste, just again and again and again. You can make interesting face of yours or like friend's face. Now I'm gonna stop sharing my Photoshop screen. Here, they just continue, just copy and paste body parts, face parts, and then you're gonna make this kind of shape. And then also you're gonna use 2 photos that showing it's the same angle face, and then also the same procedure. You're gonna copy and paste the parts and then make something kind of face. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing now and just stop my tutorial video. Okay, just give it a go. See ya.